Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you had a brilliant Christmas and a happy new year. It's a 2-year anniversary for this channel, which is pretty exciting. Still got only 500 subs almost, but you know, it's not all about that. I actually really enjoy making these videos, and for those people who keep on watching, thank you so much, because it means a lot. Why is this okay? It means a lot to me that there are people still watching. And I haven't been making videos as frequently, but I've started making videos just when I feel like it, not kind of pressuring myself. Anyway, today I'm going to talk about something I'm building. New quad. It is the Mode 2 Ghost. It absolutely looks awesome. So shout out to Granger because he gave me this frame when we went racing. You actually see, check out that last video somewhere. That was the racing at IDRL. But anyway, I'm going to run through the specs quickly. So here's the frame. It's a Mode 2 Ghost V1 spec, Emax light spec, 2206 2550 kV motors, the Hobbywing 35 amp 4-in-1 ESC, the XSR F4T maybe, I can't remember the name of it. It's the Frsky flight controller there. One of these Eachine things. I really like these actually. They're super lightweight. They're actually like 12 bucks, and they have been so far probably my best receiver, which is just a random that's just a random pagoda antenna, and using the pod on top for most of the time with a Foxeer Arrow Micro, I think. Anyway, I'm pretty happy about building this, and we're going to get to building it. And also, this is my setup here. So I've got my Arduino projects here. That is just a frame and a camera in there. Cut to some time lapse. Hopefully I'll get everything right. I'm gonna just chill and just go with it. Let's go. Time lapse, and 3, 2, 1, go. Right. I've kind of stopped the time lapse a bit because it's taking me a while. I'm just actually going pretty well right now. Almost done soon. Looking quite nice. I hope I'm impressing Granger. He said he wanted a neat build, so I mean, it looks kind of spaghetti under the hood. I mean, what more can you do, really? Now is the moment of truth where I actually see if this thing works to work. 3, 2, 1. Sort of guy. I'm going to put it together, and then we're going to go outside. We're going to do just a line of sight flight test, and let's go. I'm so excited. Alrighty-o, now comes the time where I get to fly this. Okay. Oh shoot. Alright. I had a bit of a crash all the way down there. Let's hope that nothing's broken. And FYI, I absolutely went so fast. That was like, I went full pelt into the ground. Full pelt. Just
that's moved.
The damage. Alright, so that's not too bad.
Yeah, it's
surprisingly, because like I ran it so fast into the ground. I reckon I hit over there and it bounced all the way over here.
I reckon.
Just feel the arms. Are they still good? Wait,
yeah,
what are
I tested all the arms.
Motors are pretty good.
Yeah.
Not too warm.
Not too hot to touch.
That's good. and I was absolutely fanging it through there, so yeah. My camera battery went flat, so I wasn't able to record anything, and the camera's sliding. Camera battery ran out, so I am recording it today, except it's like 38 degrees Celsius here. So here it is with it. I want to try and put a GoPro on. Alright, it is cooled down a ton outside, so actually, well, I got it, and I kind of transferred it to a more acro rig. So I've got this 3D printed couch for the GoPro couch. I like that name. It's really sketchy though. I've got the VTX, on the back, which I'm not too happy about. It's pretty all packed in. Look at that. GoPro, where are you? In the video, I had a crash, which I don't know why I did that. I just couldn't. I lost a bit of video. I was only running like a little linear whip antenna, so and I accidentally lost that. So I'm gonna have to actually. The walk of shame, the 2-day curse. It's more like a climb of shame for me because I got it stuck in a tree. I was flying yesterday and I was doing some, like wall rides, but on the side of trees, and I got stuck in a really quite tall tree. It's about 12 meters at least to this little branch where it's sticking out. Tried rope, tried everything, and it's not coming down. It rained last night and it actually is not on anymore, so I'm not very confident. I'll let you know how it goes. Welcome back everyone. It's day 3 and we still haven't got the drone down from the tree. I'm still trying, don't worry, I haven't given up yet. But it's still up there. And look what we did, we got it down. We used some heavier duty rope, and I'm about to plug it in for the first time. It's dry. It did rain the other night, so I'm going to plug it into 5 volt power through USB connection into the flight controller and see what happens. Now if it doesn't light up immediately, I'm going to unplug it because I don't want anything to smoke. 3, 2, 1. Oh, there we go. Okay, so now is when we plug in the battery. We're just gonna go and see how it works. This is the moment of truth to see if things power up and if they work. That second beat means the ESC. Wait. Oh! It works! Yeah! Ah, yes! Oh my god, guys, it works. This was up in the tree for 3 days, right? So 6 PM on Friday, get it stuck up in the tree. boo-hoo. And then it thunderstormed that night. Yeah, exactly, right? And then I thought, and I went outside, buzzer had stopped, everything had stopped. I was like, oh damn. And then I went out the next day, I tried to get it down, nothing worked. And then, the third day as a charm, something blessed me with a log that would be so accurate and some rope that would be so strong to pull the tree to drop this thing out of the tree, and it works. Nothing is broken. So, ladies and gentlemen, the moral of this story, if you're not hearing stupid static noises through the microphone, don't fly drones. No, fly drones, have fun. Be optimistic. I was certain that this thing was down. I was like, yeah, it's broken. Because you know I smelt the ESC and it smelt bad, but we're ready. We're ready to go and fly again. Okay, so we just did a run with the quad. We went long range style and we got so far. Like I never had been able to go that far. I'll show you on the DVR. So I was able to go past this first fence, past the second fence, and then I got all the way up to the end of this other paddock, and then I was chasing some sheep as well. But to show you where that is, first fence here, the second fence, see that little, I'm gonna zoom in on in post, but that little where you can see all those little dots through the other side of the paddock, that is where I got up to, and I was only having RSSI issues with my old Relac module, which I can't remember. I think it was the RX10 something, can't remember. I was only able to get up to the second fence and it was getting a bit dodgy, but now with this patch antenna and True D, I can get so far, like so much further. I was outstanded by how well that went. So we're gonna do some more flying, and yeah, I'll see how it goes. Alright, I just did another long range flight and a few flips, and the control of it is, the control is just really nice. Like I couldn't have hoped for anything better, I don't think. You could probably see I was getting quite low into the grass, and being able to control through that was really nice. And then absolutely just launching over trees, through little gaps like through here. And I did a long range test, another one, sorry for the sun there, and I got like straight through this line, and I reckon maybe 300 or 400 meters away, which is just a massive improvement from my old module to this new one. So I'm absolutely pumped with how everything's been going with this. I was so lucky that nothing actually broke when I had it in the tree for 3 nights, or 2 nights I think, and I had it in stormy weather. It was thunderstorming, and yeah, so I'm really happy about how the Mode 2 Ghost has turned out. It's been a bit of a journey to get it up and running and everything, but yeah, I'm really happy. So thank you so much for watching this video. Happy flying, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.